Flags up, the officials are all ready. All right, we're set here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. It looks like we've got 4 gentlemen drivers in the arena right now. But as soon as that touch, it's pedal down.
Place. It looks like it broke off in the body. He's not going anywhere.
Down to the final 2 here. Oh, 77. 177 comes back to life. And we might have a winner, it looks like.
The 18 is waved off.
Not. All right, we're getting ready to hand out some of this hardware here, ladies and gentlemen. Just a reminder, at the end of the next heat,